Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use responsive AI inside Wix Studio, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly make your website sections look fantastic and functional, whether someone's viewing it on a desktop, tablet, or mobile device. If you've ever spent hours fussing with mobile layouts, you're going to love how much time and effort this feature can save. Let's jump right in and I'll take you through each step, along with some practical tips to help you get the very best results. First off, what is responsive AI in Wix Studio anyway? Well, you can think of it as an intelligent assistant that sits right inside your editor. Imagine you've designed a beautiful section on your desktop site. Maybe it's a hero banner with text, some images, and a call to action button. Instead of having to move every individual piece around for tablet and mobile, responsive AI analyzes your layout, understands which elements relate to each other, and automatically suggests the best way to rearrange and resize them for different screens. It's like having a layout expert checking your work and making sure nothing gets squished or weirdly spaced on smaller devices. All right, so here's how you actually use it. Start by designing your section in desktop view just the way you like. Arrange your text, drop in images, set your background, take your time to get everything looking perfect on desktop, since this will be the foundation for the other versions. When you're happy with your section, just click on it to select it. This tells Wix Studio exactly what you want to make responsive. Keep in mind, responsive AI works best section by section, so it's good to tackle your site one part at a time. That way you're always in control and things stay manageable. Now look for the responsive AI icon or button in the editor's toolbar. It's usually right near where you make section adjustments. Give that a click, then select Generate Now. The AI will get to work in the background, analyzing your elements, grouping related pieces like text and buttons, and choosing layout techniques like grids and stacks to make things look neat and readable, no matter the screen size. This might take a moment, especially if your section is a bit complex. Don't worry if you see things shifting around in the preview, that's just the AI working its magic. Once it's done, you'll want to preview the section across breakpoints. That means seeing how it looks on tablet and mobile. Wix Studio gives you quick toggle buttons for this. Take a look and see if you like how it handled things. Sometimes the results are spot on, but if something's not quite right, maybe an image got too small or a button looks odd, that's totally normal. No AI is perfect, especially with custom or unique designs. If the result looks good, simply hit Apply Design and you're all set for that section. If not, no worries, just click Discard Changes and go back to your original design. You're always in control and nothing's set in stone until you make a choice. And here's a really handy tip. Even after applying responsive AI, you still have full manual control. So if you notice something that didn't adapt the way you want, like padding that's a bit off or an image that could be bigger, you can go into each breakpoint and make those tweaks yourself. For example, sometimes I find that a headline needs to be resized for mobile to keep everything readable and tidy. A couple more things to know that'll help everything run smoothly. When you make changes on larger breakpoints like desktop, those changes will automatically cascade down to tablet and mobile unless you override them. This is super useful, but just remember, edits you make specifically on mobile won't affect the desktop view at all, so you can fine-tune smaller screens without worrying about messing up your desktop layout. One little warning, if you manually edit mobile or tablet layouts and then later run responsive AI again, it might overwrite those manual changes. So it's usually best to use the AI tool before you start doing lots of individual fixes on each breakpoint. In summary, responsive AI gives you an awesome head start, but don't hesitate to jump in manually, especially for sections with really unique designs or overlapping elements. Those sometimes need a human touch. That wraps up our walkthrough. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your own tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Wix Studio.